We are now in the first week of Pride Month, and today we're looking at the state of HIV prevention, testing, and treatment here in Southern California.
Public health officials say they're already dealing with a crisis because they've lost millions of dollars in federal funding for their HIV efforts. NBC4's Alex Rozier joins us live now with the details. Alex.
Yeah, this past weekend, there were thousands of people who were out here on Santa Monica Boulevard celebrating during the West Hollywood Pride Parade, while just feet away, the Men's Health Foundation, a clinic that helps so many people, especially in the LGBTQ+ community, is facing one of its most trying times. For more than 2 decades, the Men's Health Foundation has helped thousands in LA, including many in the LGBTQ+ community. But leaders here now say they're dealing with a public health crisis in the fight against HIV.
In 30 years, I've never seen this.
Rob Lester is the Men's Health Foundation Senior Director of Public Programs. He said LA County already lost about $30 million in HIV prevention funding from the CDC. Men's Health alone lost $2 million. Who will be most impacted by these cuts?
Gay men, people of color, particularly youth, women, and members of the LGBTQ community.
The funding cuts already led to layoffs, and Lester says they will impact their youth program, access to medication that prevents HIV, and testing and treatment too.
The federal prevention funding that we get allows us to provide free testing services to people who are uninsured. Without that funding, there's not a revenue source to pay for those testing.
So with less funding for prevention, testing, and treatment, leaders are concerned about a potential rise in STI and HIV infection. Carlos Vega-Matos is the chief operating officer. What's your biggest fear right now?
That as a result of these cuts, there are going to be a lot of undiagnosed HIV and STDs. Across the nation, but particularly LA County.
And leaders fear the cuts at the federal level may continue. They are now urging state leaders to provide more funding.
HIV prevention, care and treatment is seriously under attack.
We've spent 40 years building the infrastructure, the public health infrastructure to fight HIV. With these cuts, we are taking a step backwards. More people will become infected, more people will die, and more people will be living with a disease they don't have to live with.
So leaders here at Men's Health say that they are teaming up with other agencies to urge state leaders to provide more state funding for HIV prevention. But for now, they say they'll have to rely on more public donations. We're live in West Hollywood. I'm Alex Rozier, NBC4 News.